Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. It looks like 2024 is shaping up to be another great year for the energy sector, and oil and gas exploration and production companies like Blackstone Minerals LP traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol BSM. Crude oil, in particular, West Texas Intermediate, has been on a tear since 2024, rising 17% to around $84 per barrel. Crude oil futures climbed on the first day of the second quarter after it was reported that the Iranian consulate in Syria was hit by an Israeli missile. Iran has promised to retaliate, raising the chance that the war in Gaza could escalate into a wider Middle East conflict. For its part, Israel has said the targeted building was not consulate embassy, rather a military building disguised as a civilian building. Crude oil prices have also edged higher on speculation that economic growth in both US and China, the world's two biggest economies, could boost demand. There is reason to be optimistic. The US economy remains resilient, and Chinese manufacturing activity in March increased for the first time in 6 months. China is the world's largest importer of crude oil, is the one equation missing from taking oil prices higher. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Blackstone Mineral is the largest pure play oil and gas mineral and royalty owners in the US, with over 20 million mineral and royalty acres with interests in 41 states. Its positions are held in 60 production basins, but its highest concentration positions are in the Permian, Haynesville, and Bakken. Now, that's a minerals company that has exposure to oil and gas, but without the hassle of actually having to have operating costs or capital or spending requirements. And thanks to its scale, Blackstone has opportunities to partner with operators to initiate or accelerate drilling and directly benefit from their technology advancements, which helps increase recovery and well economics. And there's plenty of oil and gas reserves to keep its customers happy, though. Estimated proved oil and natural gas reserves at year-end 2023 were 64.5 million barrels of oil equivalent. And that's actually up 1% from 64.1 million barrels of oil equivalent at the end of 2022, and up 7.8% from 59.8 million barrels of oil equivalent at year-end 2021.
John, I was reading on incomeinvestors.com that it capped off 2023 with a strong fourth quarter.
Yeah, for the fourth quarter ended December 31st, 2023, Blackstone announced that mineral and royalty production equaled 38.9 million barrels of oil equivalent per day. It was down 3% over the prior quarter. Net income came in at $147.6 million, or 65 cents per share. The all-important distributable cash flow was $119.1 million and represents the seventh consecutive quarter above $100 million. And the company ended the quarter with zero debt and $102.9 million in cash. Now, for 2023, mineral royalty volumes increased 9% to an average 37.4 million barrels of oil equivalent per day. Net income was $422.5 million, or $1.88 per share, while adjusted EBITDA climbed to $474.7 million.
Here's something income investors will love. This company increases 2023 cash distribution by 9%.
Yeah, as an energy stock, Blackstone's quarterly distribution will fluctuate based on price and supply and demand metrics, but it's been rewarding dividend hogs of late, at least, with a growing distribution. In 2023, it raised its cash distribution by 9% to $1.90 per share, and that's up from $1.74.5 per share in 2022. Currently provides a quarterly distribution of 0.475 per unit, or $1.90 on an annual basis, for a pretty big yield of 11.99%. Blackstone has a long history of returning cash to equity holders. Over the last 25 years, it has returned around $4.7 billion to investors through distribution. Now, in addition to a growing ultra-high yield dividend, Blackstone also has been rewarding investors with strong share price gains. On November 6, 2023, BSM stock hit a record high of $18.55 per share. It's retraced a little since then. It is, of this recording, trading at around $16.62 per share. And that puts it up 7.5% year to date and 15.5% year over year. And while the energy sector can be volatile, Wall Street expects Blackstone Minerals units to hit fresh highs over the coming quarters, with a 12-month share price target of $20 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insight. Just to recap, Blackstone Minerals is largest pure play oil and gas mineral and royalty owners in the US. Because of its massive geographic diversity, It has been able to generate serious cash flow, strong financial results, and return significant value to shareholders through its ultra-high yield distribution. In fact, thanks to its strong cash flow, it has been able to reduce its outstanding debt from $394 million in the fourth quarter of 2019 to zero at the start of 2023. Going forward, Blackstone expects its mineral and royalty production and interest to improve in 2024. This should help it continue to deliver return on capital and return strong cash flow yields to investors. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income ideas soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.